Hi guys. In last class, I taught you how to make the heart. Now, here I am going to add some more elements like bushes and coconut trees surrounding by the main object to make this composition more strong. So look, whatever color I am using, look at the quantity of water. This is not acrylic, this is watercolor. So you have to be very sure that you have good quantity of water in your brush. This is the first priority for watercolor. After that, you can create your object. But main thing, look here, I in the coconut tree for the base color I use very secondary color mixed with olive and yellow ochre, and it's very cool color actually. Look here, I use little strong color for the sunlight like sap green, and after that little blue with the sap green for the shadow. Look at the rooftop of the heart. I didn't use so strong color. I used little bit like pinkish red, uh, crimson lake, but very lightly. And I have good quantity of water as well here also for the human as well. This is very important. Sometimes people think in the same way which actually follow in acrylic, they just use little quantity of water and they go for watercolor and it's not coming good, and they are thinking that watercolor is not easy, this is not happening. But believe me, if you trust on yourself and if your water quantity is good in your brush and you are using a good quality of brush, it will happen very easily. Look here, all the elements I use green, I use blue, I use brown, but all the elements, all the colors are in secondary color format. Here I added the little boat in front of the house, and some bamboo sticks. Little reflection for the boat and little reflection for the bushes as well. Overall, my intention, my painting should look cool and soft, not very strong, not very hard. This is the key word of watercolor.